Addition means to add something. And what does it mean by add? Add means put together. Everybody do like this, please. Put together.
Two monkeys on the tree. One more monkey joins it.
Exactly. How many monkeys? Three monkeys. Okay. Can I have an example here with the blocks? Okay, I'm calling here Saad. Saad, can you please come here? And can you please count how many blocks are here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. And if I'm having the same number of blocks also. Oh my God, is it really 20? Let's count together. Saad, can you please count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So they were 10. Exactly. So are these 20 now?
Yeah!
It means 10 plus 10 equals to 20 equals to. So if I have to count 6 and then 4 more, can you please count 4 more with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer?
10.
So you were having 4 apples already with you, okay? And I gave you 3 more apples. So how many apples you are having now?
27.
Shop, that's great. Fruit shop, that's great. Okay, you are having this many. When you are going for shopping, do you want to have some money?
Yes.
So let me give him some money as well. Oh, so much money, he can have good shopping. Okay, what do you want, sir? Here you just have to count first set of things and then the other set of things, and you are going to put them together and then writing the total amount here.
Dad, you want to minus and
No, not minus. Which sign is this? This is plus. Okay, so you have to count the first set of objects and then you have to count this, and you are going to write.
I really like the way they are teaching, because it is very different from the conventional way of writing on the board and just like the boring activities. They are actually teaching like a play-based learning where children are playing and learning, and I really like this way, and I think kids are getting the most out of it. Thank you.
The involvement of parents is very, very effective.
It's a very creative way to teach kids like this with all the toys and activities.
It was an amazing class, the way how the teacher Beenish conducted the class. The students, the mothers, they were all involved in it.